Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Back from Thailand. Didn't have that great of a trip. Broke my foot on the day before my flight back. So, not doing a whole lot of riding. However, we are building a sweet new bike. This is compiling a bunch of parts and stuff here. So, the frame should be in this week, and we are going to do a sweet build. It's going to be another world's lightest, and it should be pretty sweet. Definitely decided to sell the Pinarello 6.8 kg. It's going to come with my custom 55s on it. So exactly as shown here, except for the pedals, for 5,500 delivered anywhere in the USA. So that's as you see it, with insurance and shipping. Stay tuned.